Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be playing Bloxburg. Someone's already playing it, so I'll just join them friends. Now, I've been uploading a lot and it would mean the world to me if you could subscribe, please. And hit that bell, hit that like button, and yeah, let's get on with the video. And I'd like this video to go up to 10,000 likes. Okay, it's just alright. I am in the game. Well, it's in a game. Okay. Sorry for the noise. That's that. Alright, so I'll be making a house in this video. I'll be doing a lot of work. You gotta be honest. Okay, let's go to work. Hold on, let's house plot. And then work. And then build. So yeah. I hope this you learn how to build if you haven't paid for Bloxburg yet and you don't know how to. So yeah. Well, no, this is not an empty house plot. Okay. I guess I'll just... Hold on, guys. I know what I want to do. So I earn some money. Take away that. And I'll be rich. Oh, yay. Okay. I am rich! Yay! Okay. Guys, do we delete the bike? We do. We've done it. We're so rich! Pretty plain. I like it though. Goodbye. Okay, let's go to the main menu. And yeah. I'm excited. This will be cool. Alright. It's just loading. By the way guys, these Bloxburg costs 25 Robux. If people just saying it costs money but then they never actually told you how. Okay, let's go. Let's go here. Alright, and the pizza delivery person is the one that gives you the most money. It gives you like 3 numbers each. I just moved my screen. Yeah, it's pretty low, but I don't know. It's kind of getting really bigger. I'll just have it like this, yeah. So I can have you guys here, or I can have you guys here. Or I can have you guys here, or here, or here, or here. By the way, guys, my brother has a YouTube channel, but he doesn't upload anymore. By the way, so you can see his videos, it's called Random Waffle. Because he waffles a lot about random things. So by the way guys, I'll just have this open. And have it like here. And you can see right there how much I have. None, but then when you see are you watching guys? So I'll get that much every time. I'll just move a bit upwards. Okay, that's better. Alright, so it's just doing its stuff. And then you guys will see how much I earn so fast. By the way, wondering where I got this face from, it's from Arthro. Because as you know guys, it's not on the catalogue. I got it from Arthro. You can get on Roblox. A lot of them. Some of them 500, some are 1,000. And yeah. I recently posted a video with my brother and one called, and it's called Playing a Mega Fun Obby with my brother, and there's also one called, I think, Princess, and it was really enjoyable and fun making it, and I loved making it, see, and it was really fun, and will subscribe to you guys if you subscribe to me. And on my next video, I'll give a shout out to, okay, I'll just do a shout out right now to lots of YouTubers I know. Shout out to Dennis Daly, shout out to who crafted, shout out to Sub-Zero Exploit, shout out to Random Waffle, shout out to shout out to Galaxy Wolf, shout out to, what's another YouTuber I know? Shout out to Yummy, shout out to, that's not a popular YouTuber. Shout out to Rosie Govia, shout out to, those are all the people I'm going to give a shout out to today, and I'll subscribe to all of you. Okay. This pizza, I just need to say in chat that I'm recording. I am recording. LOL. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, and shout out to Cookie and Hyper. Okay. These Hyper. Okay, so look how many monies I've shifted. Another one is the Burgers and Janitor. If you know how I know this, I've been playing Blox since 2016. Okay, so let's start this. But I think I made my channel in April, I'm not too sure. And I started Roblox. I can't remember when I started playing Roblox, but I did my first video ever. I didn't upload it, but I'll be reacting to it in one of my videos. I was speaking so weird. I just can't stand it. It was just too weird. And I feel like I shouldn't have made the video because it's such a weird video to make. And I'll be reacting to it, maybe. I might be reacting to it. So, yeah. Okay, so. By the way, guys, please check out my music video on my channel. It's really cool. And it's my first music video, so don't expect too much. And after I've got to 2,000 Bloxbucks. Oh, wait, hold on, guys. I'll get up to 8,000. I'll get up to 10,000 Bloxbucks. And it'll be really cool because you guys can see how quickly you can upgrade. It'll be amazing. I'll be like the richest person on the server. Imagine that. Okay, so as you can tell, guys, I've got 1,140. I think that's how you say it. Anyways, I'm not too that good at math. Okay, so by the way, guys, yeah, use WASD to drive because it bonk into stuff. Okay, I have so much now, and brushes, ties up hair, brushes teeth, goes to bed. Yeah, lots of people say that. I'll just show you in chat that I didn't just say it. See? See it? Wait, no, I need to show you how much you can do it, so I'll just move it again. Okay, yeah, now you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just going to... my daily money on Bloxburg today was 1,500. And yeah, I spent it. No, I didn't spend it. Well, yeah, I did spend it. Oh, pardon. Did I? I don't even know. But okay, so I just wanted to say something to you guys. I'll be doing a video revealing my age. So yeah, see that video tomorrow. Because, sweetie, what's wrong? His footsteps moving. Okay, that's whatever. So goodbye, guys. Okay, guys, so this is part 2, I believe. I will still be trying to go to all the way to 10,000. Okay, so let's go here. No, not go there. Okay. Unlock door. Down. Sorry if I keep reading the things in chats, just like it. Okay. Does that like crown or door? And it's not even crowned. So. Okay. I need to go. Well, I need to build a house. Imagine if I could just go ahead and buy that much. Then I wouldn't need to work. Then I wouldn't need to do anything. Okay. Already ended my shift. It's just look how much I earned a lot. I was cashed out because I did. Okay, we're just going to do a few more rounds and then we're going to make the house. Now guys, I'm really sorry if it won't be too good. It's just because, you know, guys, I am not that good at. Right, okay, I just need to do this. Oh yeah, what I was talking about, this is another job that gives you a lot of money. Wait, no, I got that wrong. Take that back. It was just actually my favourite kind of pizza in real life. Tomato sauce, cheese. Hold on. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Okay, so okay, now it's done. I got promoted. Okay. Great job did I do. Okay. Okay, so now guys, please subscribe as I would beg, because you know I'm a little pop. Alright. Guys, by the way, I'll do a 2-story floor. Gives me 7. And then I'll do another one. Tomato sauce. Oh, I love this pizza as well. This is like the only one I get when I go to pizza restaurants as well. But it's also the other one. I love that pizza as well. Okay, 15. Alright, my sauce. And shoot that. Oh yeah, and I just want to see. Wow, that made me. Oh, guys, by the way, I'd just like to tell you guys that I am finally October, and soon it's going to be Halloween. I think it's in a few days now, and yeah, and I am going to, and guys, Halloween, yeah, but yeah, I think I should vlog Halloween. Going to treat and excuse me, I'm just going to do an impression of what they'll be like. They'll be like, mate, Why are you recording?